Hi YouTube! Today we are going camping, right Athena?
Right.
My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. We're going camping with our tent. Yeah! So, we better get packing. 2 hours later.
We finished packing.
Yep, look at our stuff. Of course, we won't be carrying it all at once. We'll be carrying it, well, a few times. Back and forth. And we just stopped hiking. So we have to unpack really slowly because this mountain might be dangerous. Just kidding, it's not. Okay, see you when we're done packing. There, I am packed. That's my little doggy. His name is Snowball, and we're reading the magazine. I made it from Mini Mag magazine thing. So let's put it right here. My decoration stuff, my clothes, the stuff that we used, and that's where we keep the food. And this is the table, and this is Athena's room.
Hi.
She sleeps in a big tent, and I sleep outdoors because I want to. And where's your pet?
It's over here, a unicorn.
Okay.
And he eats apples.
Okay. We'll be back when we finish gosh, sorry, I have tongue tie sometimes. Cat got my tongue. Grr. Puppy, it's not real. I meant like that. He's out to explore. He loves this place now. I'll be back. We'll be back when we finish changing for the hiking trip. So yeah, we're ready for the hiking trip, and we'll meet you there. We have food in the bag, and she's gonna wear her backpack for her food too. We'll meet you there. Bye. Oof, we're here outside.
Yep.
Man, it's 5 in the morning. Okay, so we're hiking. Let's hike. Let's see if we see wild animals. There's one! Run! It's chasing us!
He's in our way.
Okay, we lost them. Oh, we're safe now. I'm hungry. Let's stop for eating. This is good. Now we're going back to the road. So we're hiking back to the tent. Let's see what we find. Oh my gosh! It's the medieval dog again. Run! Woof! We made it past the dog. I thought I would never make it. Bye. I hope you subscribe and like this video.
hope you like this video too.
Bye.